Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking for Dogs. Now Christmas is just around the corner and today we're making some round donut cookie shapes. We're going to be using a very easy, quick microwave peanut butter cookie dough. We're then going to dip the cookies into melted carob and add a few sprinkles. And at the end of the video we have Ruby the chocolate lab and Roland getting into some good old-fashioned Christmas fun and of course taste testing. Our ingredients for the peanut butter cookies are flour, rolled oats, smooth peanut butter, honey, oil, water and baking powder. We're also going to need a baking tray lined with parchment paper, spatula, wooden spoon, rolling pin, some cookie shapes and a large mixing bowl or jug. Mix the flour, baking powder and oats into the large bowl. Pour in a cup of water and blend it until smooth. Add the peanut butter, the honey, the oil and mix together until it's well blended. Slowly add water until the mixture is thick and doughy. Alternatively, if it's too wet, add a little more flour. Sprinkle some flour onto the parchment paper and turn out the cookie dough. Roll out the dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Use the large round circle cookie cutter to cut out your circle shapes. Next, use the smaller shaped circle cookie cutter just to cut the hole out of the middle of the donut shaped cookies. Cover the microwave tray with parchment paper. Now transfer the cookies to the microwave dish using your flat spatula. Microwave these cookie dough shapes for approximately 4 minutes. Each oven will vary in microwave temperature, so make sure you're checking them after about 3 minutes. If you want them to be hard and crunchy, microwave a little longer. If you like a softer cookie dough, microwave a little less. These peanut butter donut shapes are great to serve to your dog on their own as a treat, or you might like to decorate them as we're going to do for Christmas. Our ingredients for this next part of the baked cookies is some carob buttons melted with a little Crisco and some sprinkles. I've already melted my carob in the microwave, added 1 teaspoon of Crisco and whisked it until it was nice and smooth. Use a fork and dip that cookie into the carob mixture just on one side. We're using the dog-friendly carob. It melts, it looks like chocolate, but it is not chocolate. Please note that chocolate is toxic for your dogs. Carob is a healthy legume that you can use in all your ingredients as a dog-friendly frosting. Carob is available from health food shops and from the health section of most supermarkets. Add a few sprinkles to the soft carob. It will set hard, so make sure you work fairly quickly, add your sprinkles and then allow them to dry. Thanks for joining us today. We'd love you to share this video, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and check us out on our Instagram and Twitter sites. We'd love to get your comments, so give us some feedback and let us know what you thought of this recipe. Have a fabulous week and bon appetit!